Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to learn how to create a t-shirt mockup. A t-shirt mockup is basically a final presentation of how your art will appear on a t-shirt once you print it. So guys, without much talking, let's get started. So first of all, as you can see, I've opened my Photoshop. This is the tool we are going to use to create our t-shirt mockup. So what I'll do, I'll just go to open, and then I'll open the file that we are going to use, and it is this one, plain t-shirt. So I'll just click and then open, guys. So once it is open in Photoshop, what I will do, first of all, I will create a new layer. At this section here, I'll create a new layer, and then I'll click rectangle tool, and then I'll just draw here. This one is to define the printable area where I want my art to be. So to resize, you press Ctrl on your keyboard plus T, and then that one will bring up pre-transform tool, and then you just drag and then leave it there, up a little bit, and then also down like that, guys. So hit enter, and then you have saved you have defined now where you want your art to appear. So now what I'll do, I'll right click on the rectangle tool and shape, and then I'll convert it into a smart object. So once I've converted into a smart object, I'll come on top of it, and then there's that icon. When you hover your mouse on top, you'll see smart object thumbnail. I'll just double click, and then it will open to a new window. So this one is where we will be creating our art. So what I'll do, I'll just create another new layer on top of our smart object, and then I'll take our brush, and then there's some preset of brush I'll be using. There are some brushes that I'll be using. I'll pick this one, then I'll just come and then reduce. Guys, you use the curly bracket to reduce the size of your brush up to somewhere there, and then I will click. So you can't see the brush now because the color is same as the background. So let's disable the background first, and then you see our brush is there. Ctrl T for free transform, then just adjust a little bit again, hit enter, and then you have saved that. So guys, I will add an image on top. So I'll go to file, and then place embedded. Then I'll go with this image of a tiger, like that. Then I'll just adjust to resize it, and then I'll put it like there, then hit OK. So once you have reached there, you just right click on the image, and then you create a clipping mask. So once you create a clipping mask, the image will only be visible to the area covered by the brush, this brush down here. So activate the image layer, and then Ctrl T for free transform, then just do some adjustment like that. So go and then activate the brush layer, and then pick your brush again, and then just using the curly brackets, reduce, then go to brush preset, and then just change the angle. Let's use this one, angle like that. Then when you come, you find so just adjust like that. Go again to your brush, then change the angle a little bit down. Yes, and then just come like that, like that, like that. Then go again to your brush presets, and then this time round, let's bring it over there, and then let's go like that, there. So now guys, our So what I'll do, I'll just activate the image layer again, and then go to image, adjustment, and then brightness. Just increase the brightness of the image a little bit up to there, and then the contrast also up to there, and then click OK. So to save this mockup, you just go on your keyboard and then you press Ctrl+S. Then when you go back to our t-shirt, you'll find the design on the t-shirt. So actually this is the final presentation. Like once you have printed, maybe you are using a heat press or any other kind of a printer, this is the final, like this is what you will have. You'll take this one, you'll take this template here, and then maybe use a sublimation paper to print on it, or you can feed it and then print on your. So guys, let's just do some few adjustments, and then I'll go to blending mode, and then I'll just choose hard light and then click OK, and then I'll just reduce opacity a little bit there, and then fill also a little bit like there. So guys, this is our final work. So what you do now, you just have to save. You save this one. This one is what you'll use to print on a t-shirt like this one. Thank you for watching, guys. That's all for today.